Hello everyone, this is me, Palvi Goyal. Today we will be solving the problem Design Task Manager. So in this problem, there is a task manager system that allows user to manage their task, each associated with a priority. The system should efficiently handle adding, modifying, executing, and removing tasks. So we have given a task manager class. On that we have given a tasks. So what task of I is indicating. So in a particular task, we are having a user ID, we are having a task ID, we are having a priority. Okay. So what is add method doing? Add method is giving us a user ID, task ID, and priority. So we have to add that. And edit means we have to edit the task with the new priority. And remove means we have to remove the particular task. And execute top means we have to execute the most priority task and we have to remove it. Okay. So how we can solve it? There are many ways to solve it. We can use a priority queue or some other data structure, but we can also use the sorted list from the sorted containers to solve it. So I will be showing you how we can solve it using the sorted list. Okay. So what we can do is we can take a sorted list and we can take a tasks. Okay. So in the sorted list, we will be adding the priority, tasks, and user ID. So in sorted list, that every element will be in the sorted manner. Okay, in the increasing order. So all of them will be sorted according to the priority. If the priority is same, it will be sorted according to the task ID. If the task ID is same, it will be sorted according to the user ID. Okay, and task will be containing the task ID and priority. So every task ID is having a some priority. Okay, so we are having a add method that is adding the priority in the task and adding it into the sorted list. After that, we are having a added method. In this, we are taking the priority, we are getting the task. How we can get the task? We can do a binary search, okay, in the sorted list. That will be giving us the task in log of n time. Okay. After that, we can just remove the task from the list and we can add the task with a new priority in the sorted containers. Okay. After that, we will do similar thing in the remove function as well. First, we will find the priority. After that, we will be just doing a binary search to get the index, and we can use a pop operation to pop the element in the pop the element from the sorted list. Okay. So for the execute top function, we can just check if we are having a sorted list. If we are having that, then we just return the user by popping the element. Otherwise, we can just return the -1. Okay. So we can solve this question very easily using the sorted list by the sorted containers. If you have any doubt in the sorted container or any issue with the code, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.